Alright, this thing going on there, that is a gridded ion thruster I've been working on for the past day or so. It's pretty simple. It's just like, you know, it's a copper mesh on two sides, parallel, hopefully, ideally. And then it's basically positive, negative, and then you know, this down here is also negative, so that the electrons are attracted to the mesh. And then this back here is just to show that it moves. There's a like a airflow is produced. So yeah. As you can see, it is not exactly the strongest thing in the world, but you know, the ones that NASA put out don't even put out like a newton of thrust. It's very weak, but if you do it right, it can be incredibly efficient. But I mean, I'm not doing it very efficiently, but they have like xenon gas and proper equipment and all that stuff. But eventually, I'm gonna be trying to like actually measure the thrust with this. This is a flex sensitive resistor that might not be strong enough, but there was a video a while ago on Applied Science about how to make a really precise balance, and I could do that. I'll link it in the description if I remember to. But another thing I want to do is make a electron gun from like some tungsten filament or something, basically, and that should you know bring this make it a little bit better. And I'm doing other experiments. This is a much less dense grid. Unfortunately, it's too thin, and there's actually arcing that goes on within the structure. All these holes they arc through, but yeah, hopefully I'll have some more stuff like this coming pretty soon.